JD, what are we dealing with today?
Well, we went and got teched in, and I was driving back and my RPM staying at 1, and obviously something's up when I'm driving the car and revving the car up, and the tach's not doing nothing.
You think Josh is playing jokes on us?
I think he's really going to test my bracket racing ability.
Sexy.
That means we got a shifter by ear.
If I see the tach, it's just stuck on 1. It's okay though. We got like 50 tachs at home, don't we?
Yeah, I think we're going to be all right.
I think our old friend Josh is he's laughing right now.
Yeah, I feel like right when I get to the burnout box, that shit's going to start working. I think that's how it's going to go.
All right, brother, I'm looking at your whole setup. You got the truck, the trailer, the canopies.
2 Jacks Fast looking strong out here.
Yeah, 2 Jacks Fast looking strong.
Hell yeah. We're going to have some fun today.
We're going to have some fun. We're bringing the fam out tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to have a crowd out here tomorrow.
Down there at the front of the tire. GM engineers would have seen that back in 55. They would have said, that's a great idea. How much we'll save on 2 million? Yeah, 1.
All right, so we made it through round 1. Round 2 is going to be a little bit stiffer because you eliminate half the field. On the last run, homie took almost a half a second to leave. So I had a good reaction, but there's still room for improvement, and we got at least 2/10 cut off of it. I ran it without the air cleaner. I'm putting it back on. The air's getting better. That obviously means everybody's going to run better and faster. But I just got to run my race, stay focused, and let's go rounds today.
On a 658X in the loss. Jay Adams and Jack Thompson. Mayaca City, Florida for Jay Thomas. Lithia, Florida for Jack Thompson. Bel Air, 3 minutes waiting. See the nose kind of bouncing up and down.
Man, I just went out 3rd round. We just got home. I finally cracked me a beer after the whole week. And look what Dad, I come over to Dad's house for 2 seconds. And he's over here ready to go bracket racing. Heads up, though. He's ready to go. Look at all this shit. Turn your halos on. I want to see them. Oh, give me the ambers.
Oh, that's sexy. That ain't what I want. She's talking to me. Sexual, like you said. Come on. Yes, that's the white. I think you gotta flip that switch back off and turn the other one on. Nope. Come on. I've seen this thing shoot yellow out before. I got a picture of it. No. There you go. That's like, you got that hook. Oh, you just turned them off. So, yeah, that's what I was wanting. Damn it, man. That's a sexy looking bitch right there. Woo!